everyone, this is LUMIBANKS right here with another Forex banger. Yeah, I analyzed earlier, I don't want to take time. I analyzed earlier Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and in fact, even DXY. If you haven't watched my past video, my last video, go ahead and watch it. And there is not much differences that market have made in the past couple of days that I shared the analysis video on YouTube here. But just to you know give you another video, a confirmation that it's pretty much happening. It's happening exactly the way I talk about it. That since last week or last month, late last month, I think I've been uh, telling you guys here that uh, we pretty much gonna see drop here, and before it even gets here, before price Euro USD gets to the 1.08 level, I was saying that okay, we are going to, the price is probably going to tap into this zone and then retrace from there and get down like this, and it's happening. So soon as on NFP day, soon as price touch this level from here, touch this level, I was like, okay, if I was an aggressive trader, I would have entered a sell from there. But me, I'm a conservative trader, and then I'm like, okay, I want to see price drop and then retrace back. If you remember, retrace back into the 1.08 level. And the fact is that most times price won't do this, it will just keep flushing down. But what made me be so sure, certain that price is gonna try and go back again before the rally down to this place, even though we have a set bias, I told you I was not into it. I made reference to this place, this very place, that imagine you sold here and price retrace. Not a lot of people can't, or due to the fact that they risk a lot, not a lot of people can bear draw down so much. And I also made reference to this particular one. I remember was this oh how's this okay, I made reference to this. Let me zoom it on the 4 hours so that we can all see, look at it. This is it here on the daily time frame. This is that little range here. Imagine you sold around here and then price go back up above your entry before the sell. So this is price action. This is what price has been doing for a while in this range, in this small little downward range. It's not actually little, but in this downward trend, that's what it's been doing. And as a matter of fact, as it is right now, we are heading for the 1.08 level that I talk about. So price could just get there and tap. It depends on how it reacts when we get to the 1.08 level, or we can even go above, maybe 50 pips above. That would be 1.085 zone, where we now, before we now see like okay, a downward trend. But as it is, I'm folding my hand and I'm anticipating what's next is about to happen in the forex market, in the Euro USD market. I talk about AUD USD, and I talk about GBP USD too. AUD USD, I talk about anticipation of price to the 0.67 level. This was it. I was like, okay, you see all these eyes, we probably gonna clear it. We're probably gonna clear it because it's too clean for market makers to just ignore. So what I'm saying, what I was predicting earlier on this was like price gets to this low, or gets to somewhere around here, or even below this, and then we see a up move to this very level based on the plenty of order that reside here earlier, and price didn't get there before continuing down. Maybe it's just going to liquidate this ice and then we see a good drop. That's still the anticipation on AUD USD. Yeah, and for GBP USD, Pretty much the same with Euro USD. I talk that okay, I'm anticipating that this level of 1.26, yeah, it hasn't dropped this much before I, predicted that. So it dropped, and as it is right now for GBP USD, there is a little difference based on what market did. The If you remember, I was saying that okay, if the market didn't go, so high, like it just break here a little before retracing, like after this height, maybe around here or may even though around here, we see a price drop to this level, it would have been a long buy from there. Maybe we see this a tap here and a retracement and then up move, but because the market is still in downward, is still the market still have that downward momentum. That's why we see that okay, price goes all the way up here, and just like Euro USD, I was anticipating that this comes down and then go up again, something like this, and then or invalidate it, or if it didn't, it just you know form a M pattern, something like this, and then we have something like this. So that was what I was anticipating then. But as it is now, looking at the 4 hours on so far time frame on the GBP card, I think I should delete this, but this is pretty much, if you check it on the daily, this lines arrow is like what I'm anticipating actually, that okay, as price tap into it, it just flushed down, but not, this is textbook example of what I was anticipating. I'm still anticipating that, but looking at the 4 hours now, all I'm seeing is that I'm not so much expecting that price get here again, as we have this and we have this little drop here. Let's say okay, we have this and we pretty much trying to clear. This is gonna be like relative equal low for me. I won't be considering the week because it's a week out, and a lot of candle bodies, you know, didn't close below the old lows here, this very place. So from here we have price range and then it's going back up. So it could be around here, uh this place, or this very place is the 1.25 level, 1.25 level, pretty much, or around here. From this other block, I'll be looking for my sell setup, which we are close. And when I'm trading, I don't trade just the technical, I combine the fundamentals of the markets. I combine the fundamentals. So that's it. If this happen around this other block, and then we see this a sell below this 1.24, actually, maybe to the old low first as our TP, as our take profit. And if you look that in terms of the risk we are taking, it's gonna be something like this. Okay, the stop loss here, and then stop TP1 here. This is 1 to 3. This is 1 to 3. Yeah, risk reward, which is pretty much good. Looking at the daily time frame, for TP2, could be saying okay, well, I can't talk about TP2 here because after this drop to this place, I want to see what price is willing to do. Maybe you want to continue, because sometimes we just have to see that range, or just see what price want to really do. So that is it for GBP USD. And for as that too, on this GBP USD, I also want to share something. If it happens this way, then it's gonna mean that this market formed a swing high here, a swing high, a short-term swing high, actually, according to ICT. Yeah, what do we mean by short-term swing high? A high that have lower highs a lower high at its left side and at his right side. So this is what retail traders we often call the head and shoulder pattern. So I hope this is helpful. Please like the video, turn on video notifications so you can receive more updates from me. I'll be dropping bangers, at least twice a week. Forex updates. There are times I share analysis and I see that okay, due to a news or a fundamental event, or the way the technical is going is not going to happen the way I shared it again, I'm going to quickly come and update you guys. I'm here for you, and I am here fully. I'm here to stay. So show your support in terms of likes and comments, and also share too, please. LUMIBANKS is going to be sharing another video next today is Thursday, next week Monday, or over the weekend I'll be making a recap of this week and sharing what I'm anticipating the next week. Until next time, keep trading profitably.